A while back, I made a video about setting up a Raspberry Pi car infotainment system, and it's been working great minus a few hiccups here and there. Let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like to see a follow-up to that video. There have been a couple of times when I wanted to change something on my setup, but I needed a keyboard in order to make those changes, so it was serendipitous when Banggood reached out and asked if I was interested in working with them on a project. I picked out a keyboard, some switches, and some keycaps and waited for them to arrive, so now that they're here, let's take a look at the parts that I ordered. First up is the GamaKay LK67 Keyboard. It is a 67 key RGB setup that feels great. It is sturdy and has a good heft when you're holding it, and I always love a keyboard with a volume knob on it. Now, the keyboard can be used via an included USB-C cable, Bluetooth, or a 2.4 gigahertz receiver that, for some reason, wasn't included in my package. Next, we've got the 3-pin Gateron Blue clicky switches that feel absolutely amazing and have a great tactile bump to them when they're pressed. To top things off, we've got the Milk Pudding keycap set. These things look great and let a decent amount of light shine through without being blinding, and they are a two-piece, two-color molded setup that feel great to the touch. A little time will tell how they'll hold up, but overall, super impressed with these so far. Now, putting all these pieces together only really took about 20 minutes or so, and it was all pretty painless overall. Now, I did run into a couple of issues along the way that were totally my fault. I didn't realize that the right Shift, Alt, Function, and Control keys were a different size than the keycaps I chose, so I did have to do some improvising there, but overall, I'll be the only one using this keyboard, and there's a good chance this is going in my car, and I won't be using those keys anyway. So this is what these Gateron switches sound like, and I wish you could feel the tactile bump. Overall, this is a great typing experience. So now let's take a look at some of the different lighting modes that are available on the GamaKay LK67. Thanks to Banggood for working with me on this, and I'll have links in the description to all the parts I used in this build if you want to pick up your own semi-DIY keyboard kit.